Hello student, today we will discuss on the topic of selection criteria of switching element like a switching diode, filter capacitor, inductor, etc. See, these are the one of the sample IC LM3524D. For that one I have used the Texas Instrument website. Reference is www.ti.com. If you observe, these are nothing but positive regulator step up basic configuration. In this IC, these are the components given: RT, capacitor C suffix T, diode D1, here input voltage Vin, output voltage V0, and these are the ground. So our role as a designer to find out the values of the unknown components, just like a RT, second just like a capacitors. So see what are the equations they are given. Positive regulator step up basic configuration. Again the same equation is given this on this respective website. Finding the resistor RF is equal to 5K in bracket output voltage upon 2.5 minus 1. Then oscillator frequency is equal to 1 upon RT into CT. Then inductor L1 is equal to 2.5 into Vin square in bracket V0 minus Vin upon F oscillator frequency into IO into VO square. Then capacitor CO is equal to IO in bracket V0 minus Vin upon oscillator frequency variation in delta voltage into VO. IO max is equal to In upon Vin upon V0. Okay, so these are the some standard equations, design equation you can call it as, is given in this respective data sheet of ICs. So our role is we have to put the values in that equation and find the component value. Again we can see the diagram, what are the values are given, okay, and in this way we have to find out the respective resistor, capacitor, inductor as well as oscillator frequency values, and in this way we can design. So remaining all type of design regulator means step down, we are discussing about the step up, like they all are available in this respective website. Refer this website and find out the design information. Thank you.